Today, I'll be reviewing AI Book Agents, which is a cloud-based tool that uses AI to help people create books such as children's stories, coloring books, cookbooks, workbooks, business guides, and fiction, without writing or design experience. So let's dive in and let me show you how it works. So once you log in, you'll see the dashboard here. You can see your recent books that you have created. You can open them, view them, etc. But to get started, you click here on Create New Book, or you go to the Book Agents here in the left menu, where you see all the book agents. So for example, a kid's storybook agent, a business book agent, a math book agent, a workbook agent, coloring book agent. Well, you can see them all here: how-to guide, recipe, self-help book, romance and fiction, educational book agents, etc., etc. Now, to get started, you simply start a chat with one of the agents, and that will open a chat window where you need to answer some questions. So for example, what would you like to do? You can view your books, or you can say, I want to create a new book. And that's what we want to do, right? So what should the children's book be about? So I'm going to paste something in here. This is a fun story about a curious boy named Max who meets a friendly fox in the forest. Together they explore blah 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 hidden adventures. It's just a short prompt, as you can see here, and there you go. Give it a title or leave it blank and I'll pick one. Well, I love that. I don't have to think, so let the AI pick a book. Title, how many pages? So you can choose between 10, 20, 40, 60 or 80 pages. So I'm going to do 10 pages here. The age group, let's say 3 to 6, 7 to 10, or 10 plus years. I'm going to do 3 to 6 years old. And then the illustration style. So here you can choose if you want to have cartoon style, watercolor, realistic, or anime. I'm going to do the cartoon style because I like the cartoon ones. And here you could choose your language. Now, as you can see, many languages are supported. When I scroll through this window, check this out, all these languages. Now, in this case, we're going to do English. So I'm going to click English here, and I can click on Generate My Book. And now it's going to generate the book for me. It's that simple to create an ebook. So this takes a couple of seconds. It says done, and now you can view your ebook. This will open it in a new tab where you can see that it's going to generate the images. Now you can see the story is already here. One sunny morning, Max put on his red sneakers and grabbed his blue backpack. He was ready for an adventure. So there you can see he met the fox and they go together. So the images are being created for this kid's book. So let me come back once this is finished. And there you go. So now you can see the story is ready. We have Max here in the first image. Then he met a friendly fox here. They went to explore, so they found a flower garden here. They met some ducks on the way. Then they found a mysterious cave here. And wow, at the end, they had some twinkling crystals in here. And then they went home happily with their adventure. Now, I noticed that the fox is not equal on each image. So here he has a red jacket, and here he has no jacket, for example. And then he has a blue shirt here. The style of the story is completely the same. Max looks the same, but Max also has different clothes. Kids probably won't notice that, but just so you're aware that not each image will be exactly the same. Now, you might re-render this. So you could say, for example, if Max has a blue shirt and you want to keep that blue shirt, you can re-render here. When you click this icon here, you could say here, the boy, Max, with a blue shirt and the fox standing. Now, when I regenerate this, it's regenerating this image, and you can fix it actually. And you will see that in a few seconds once it's done. Check this out. Now he has a blue shirt. So if there are some inconsistencies, you can fix that by just changing it by clicking the regenerate with AI. To fix this. Now you can download each image individually if you like to do that. That's more useful when you have a coloring book, for example. And you can download it as a PDF here. So when I download this as a PDF, you can see here Max in the Forest. It immediately opens my printer here, but it will look like this. So Max in the Forest Adventure, you can print this, and now you have your whole story here where Max meets the fox here. They go on an adventure. You can see here the flower garden. Well, this is the whole story, right, that we just created here. The sparkling river, the ducks that they met here. And this is the full book. And you can save this as a PDF to your computer as well. That's the first option. Another option is here to get the iframe link. So when you copy this iframe link here, first of all, you can embed this into any website. So if you have a website, you can take this iframe and you can embed this to your website. Or you could use this URL when you copy this and open a new page. Then you can simply read the book from a page. So there's a play button here. When you play it, it will automatically play and automatically switch the pages, but you want to do that manually. So you stop that in here and now you can read it from here and you can here go to the next page like this. And it opens like a real book here where you can see the pages here, go from one to the next page. And you can go through the book here. So this is how you create this book. Now, when you go further here, you can also edit the text here. So if you want to edit the text for the book, you can do that in here as well. So you can go through the different pages. As you can see, you can modify it in here. And also in here, you can generate or regenerate the same image with AI again as well. Now also in the gallery, when you have your book here, you have the option here to upload your own picture if you like to upload your own pictures, or you can delete slides as well. So this is the first book. Let me go to the book agents and let me show you another example as well. So let's go for a recipe book here. So we got Mila here, chat with Mila. And of course, we want to create a new book. And this is how simple each book goes. So what's the recipe, theme, or cuisine here? So I'm going to say here, I want to have a recipe book with authentic Italian recipes, including pasta, pizza, etc. You can read it here, the instruction that I put in here, different soups, salads, desserts, etc. The cookbook title, again, this is optional. Let AI come up with a title. And then the cuisine here. So we're already set Italian here, but you could choose here from this as well. So we're going to say Italian. And now the diet type. So you could say, I want to have vegan or vegetarian, keto, or whatever you have. I don't want to have restrictions here. Just want to have Italian food. Again, let's do 10 pages in here. And we could do this in any language. So let's do this in, let's do Spanish here. And generate my book here. And check this out. It's ready, so we can click view your book. And now it's going to add the instructions. Now you can see here, this is a little bit longer here. So you can see I cannot read this because I don't speak any Spanish here. But you can see here the instructions, what you need to do to create these beautiful recipes. It's going to create these images, spaghetti carbonara, here pizza margherita, risotto. You can see it generates the images. And again, let me come back once this is finished. And there you go. I already created a PDF here. And as you can see here, you got the recipe book, Italian food here. You can see all the recipes, which you can share here with other people. You can use this as lead magnet, giveaway, run ads to it, stuff like that. Now, let me also show you a few other examples that I created here. So for example, a coloring book like this is also what you can create. I really like this one because it allows you here to create funny coloring books like this. And you can also color them in here. So if you want to color this here, you can select colors. You have the bucket here where you can fill everything immediately, or you can change it here to the brush here where you can say, I want to take another color here, and you can color it yourself. Of course, you can print this as a coloring book as well. You could save that. You can also do autofill here. So when I do autofill, it's going to autofill this image here. So you will get a completely different image here, as you can see, within a few seconds. There you go. You get an image like this where it autofills the picture itself. So you have these kinds of pictures, and you can download. So you can download the original picture here to your computer, or you could download the colored one to your computer. And again, you can also create a PDF of these ones here. So you have it like this with the colored one, and you can print it. So you can color these yourself or your children, whatever you want to do with it. So you can give these away. Again, you can put this on Facebook. You can run ads like, hey, got your free drawing book here. stuff like that. Here's another one like Calm Habits, a guide to better sleep here, where you have a guide where people can get better sleep. Again, you just run a PDF here and it shows you the PDF with the instructions how you can get a better sleep, etc. Or you just take the share embed link like this one, you embed it on your website, or you just share this link here where people can watch this as a book. So that's how you can create books with AI book agents. Now, there are also done for you templates here in the library. So there's business and marketing, health and wellness, self-development. So for example, when you open this, you have these books available here. So you can use this as a template and work with these templates. You can see it's already filled out with content. Images are missing. The images were here this morning, so probably they're working on the app right now because you don't see the images. However, personally, I prefer to create ebooks myself instead of the done for you templates because, yeah, I like to have control myself and unique books, health and wellness. So here you can see images in this one, for example. Let's open this one, use this template here. So you can see now the images are in here if you'd like to. Now you can export again. You can export this as a PDF so you can see it like this. And you have a done for you ebook about yoga, etc. So that's the done for you part inside of AI book agents. Now there's also an AI prompt suggestion. So if you want to have a good prompt for anything basically online, you can do it in here. So I could also say a nice ebook about kids story, and then you could say here the target. So you could say kid story book if you want to. You can also see here the different books. So if you want to have a good prompt, you could say Emma kids book story, and your goal to have a nice bedtime story. And then it's going to generate the prompt that you can use in the book agents. If it's asking what the book is about, you're going to get this prompt here. Different prompts. So you have the moonlit jungle parade. You can see Timmy and the time traveling Teddy, the enhanced musical garden. So it comes up with book IDs and prompts. So you can use this prompt here. And when you click that, you could say, okay, I want to use this in the storybook here. And now you can start chatting and you can use this prompt here. Give me a story ID. And now you can paste that in here. So you can directly go from the prompt suggestion to your storybook. Now, it also comes with stock photos. So for example, I don't know, if you want to have dogs photos, they're in here. If you want to have yoga photos, you have them in here. So you can use them in your ebooks, etc. So you can download these and use them. Stock videos, similar. So you can download stock videos for other productions that you're doing. So again, let me search for dogs and you can see the stocks videos that you can use freely here. You can play these videos here. And yeah, you can use that. Same for vectors and icons. It's here where you can download vectors and icons. There's an image generator here. So if you put a prompt in here, for example, here, friendly sea turtle swimming through a beautiful underwater. You could say here, do you want a realistic illustration, watercolor, or cinematic, whatever you like to here. You can choose that. You can choose the size here of the image. You can generate the output 1, 2, or 4 images. It's like a image generator, like we all know, right? So it's generating the image here. Oh, there you go. You got the image of the sea turtle here. You can download that. You can use that in your ebooks, etc. They also have the option to use the agency panel, so you can add sub-users as well. So you can sell AI book agents as well for yourself. And that's basically what this product is about. I think the most important part is here with the agents, where you can start creating these ebooks. And in case you're interested, check out the link in the description where you can get it through my link. You're also going to get some extra bonuses if you pick it up through me. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. And could you do me a favor? Hit the thumbs up. It helps me to rank my videos on YouTube. I do a lot of product reviews similar to this one. This time it's a color book or an ebook creator, not a color book creator. Yesterday or a few days ago, I did a video tool. Another time I did an AI agents tool where you can set up agents working for you. A lot of product reviews. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. For now, thank you so much for watching. Go check it out and talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.